Good morning, all of you. In today's lesson, we learn about modal verbs in German. Let's see. Modalverben. Modal verbs. Mögen means to like. Müssen, to have or must. Möchten, would like. Some book says möchten is a modal verb. Some says it is not a modal verb. But uses are same, then we count it here. Dürfen, allowed to or to be permit or may. Können, can, be able to. Wollen, want to. Sollen, should be and supposed to. So we can learn there. We can see there are 7 modal verbs, and we can learn by M3. DKWS. DKWS. Mögen, müssen, möchten, dürfen, können, wollen, sollen. Now we see how we conjugate them and how we are going to use in a sentence. Let's see. So all the conjugation of last 3 are same as a regular verbs like mögen, müssen, same that we are going in regular verbs. And here we remove the en and add t, same as regular verb. But the first 3 for the all modal verbs is changed. Mögen become mag, müssen, muss, möchten, möchte, darf, kann, will, soll. So we do not have a umlaut apart from möchten. And conjugation of ich and as are same in all the modal verbs. And whatever we have write in ich, we are going to add st for do. Magst. So here we have a double s, so we are going to add only t. Rest all st. So the modal verb conjugation, last 3 are same as the regular verbs. And first we need to learn it, and ich and as are same, and do we are going to add st. Now let's see modal verb sentence structure. Subject. And in most of all the modal verb we have another verb as well. So modal verb will take a second position and conjugate with the subject, and rest come here, and at the end we write verb in infinitive form. Infinitive means with en, amended at the end. And if there is a question mark, modal verb come at the first position, then subject, then rest, and verb in infinitive amended. The answer would start with the ja or nein. If we have a W-Frage, W question, W-Frage first, plus modal verb plus subject, and verb with infinitive amended. So mögen is the only modal verb which refer to liking people or something. It is usually used without an infinitive. So when we are going to use mögen modal verb, we will normally do not have a verb at the end. Let's see some of the example of the modal verb and how we are going to make a sentence with that. Like, I like sweets. So we do not have any other verb, and for like we have a mag. So ich mag Süßigkeiten. So no other verb, mag Süßigkeiten. We can speak German, so we have 2 verb, kann and speak. So speak will go at the end, like wir können Deutsch, expression at the end, and it does not conjugate. I want to go to Germany. So here also we have 2 verb, want to and go. Ich will, modal verb, conjugate with the subjects, nach Deutschland, and actual verb goes at the end in infinitive form. May I smoke? Question mark. Darf come at the first position, then ich, then rauchen, not conjugated. You should study now. Du sollst jetzt studieren. Modal verb second position, actual verb at the end, and it does not conjugate. He is allowed to eat chocolate. So here is 2 verb, allowed to and eat. So, darf at second position, conjugate with Schokolade, SN at the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write. Have a nice day.